Good evening, everyone. Words are powerful motivators and can transform the history of the nation and bring transition in the perception and mindset of people. It is the proud privilege of Fairgaze to host the MUN conference to empower young delegates to pull their innovative ideas and collaborate fruitfully for multilateral negotiation to resolve issues concerning the world. I hope you have savored every moment of the proceeding to the fullest.
Honorable delegates, esteemed guests, advisors, and my fellow young leaders. As we come to the close of the Central and West India Fairgaze Inter-School Model United Nations 3.0, I stand before you filled with immense pride and admiration for the dedication, intelligence, and passion each of you has demonstrated. Throughout this conference, you have tackled a diverse array of topics with depth and insight. You have evaluated the effectiveness of peacekeeping forces in conflict zones, strategized on eradicating rural poverty to meet the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development Goals, and much more. These discussions were not merely academic exercises, but reflections of real-world challenges that demand urgent and innovative solutions. Your engagement in these debates has shown a remarkable grasp of foreign policy and international relations. The resolutions you crafted, the alliances you formed, and the compromises you reached reflect the very essence of diplomacy. You have demonstrated that through cooperation and mutual respect, we can address even the most daunting global challenges. As we reflect on the achievements of this conference, let us remember that the true measure of success lies not in winning or losing, but in the impact we create. The ideas you've shared and the solutions you've proposed here have the potential to shape policies and influence real-world decisions. Your voices, your perspectives, and your dedication to making a difference are what truly count. I urge you to carry forward the lessons you've learned here. Continue to engage with global issues. Continue to seek out opportunities for dialogue. And continue to advocate for the change you wish to see in the world. Remember that each of you has the power to make a difference, whether on a local, national, or global scale. In conclusion, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each delegate for your hard work, to the advisors for your guidance, and to the organizing team for making this conference possible. It has been an honor to serve as your Secretary General, and I'm confident that the future is bright with leaders like you at the helm. Thank you.
I hope everyone is excited because here comes the time for results. I invite Ms. Arya, the chairperson of UNSC, to please come and announce the results.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, delegates. Results, I hope you all are not nervous this time at least. Irrespective whatever the results might be, just keep in mind you all have given your best. Okay, may it be the first timers, the ones who are experienced. It was truly a remarkable, noteworthy session and one of the best sessions I have attended. So here goes. The best position paper award goes to the Delegate of India. High commendation. This is not in order. Both delegates deserve have worked equally, and those are the Delegate of United States and the Delegate of People's Republic of China. And then we have the Best Delegate Award that goes to the Delegate of Germany. Congratulations.
High commendation, Delegate of Sweden, congratulations, and special mention to Delegate of Afghanistan. Congratulations, guys. And if any of the delegates want to share their experience with us, India.
Thank you for recognizing me. It was a really nice, well-maintained online MUN conference. I have attended many online, but this was a very nice committee. The executive board was so cooperative, so kind to people. Even the flow of debate was very nice. Everyone was getting equal chances to speak, and they were a nice flow of debate. Everyone, the delegates were even very nice. So yeah, it was a nice experience.
Wow, great. Thank you so much. Yeah, China.
So this was a really, I'm delegate of China from UNSC, and this was really an amazing experience. Flow of committee was really smooth, and heartiest congratulations to all the delegates. And thank you once again. Thank you so much, and looking forward to work with you all.